Food lovers, what is your experience with peppered Ponmo? This one I call it Ponmo Alata. I don't know where I've seen that name, but this is what I started calling it after seeing it somewhere. I can't remember. So in your pot, you're going to add your washed, clean, cooked Ponmo with some water, onions, garlic. Just stir everything together, and then you're going to season this to your own preference, okay? But for mine, I use seasoning cubes, salt, a little bit of thyme and curry, and some ginger powder. That's pretty much everything I use to season this Ponmo. This particular stage is very crucial, as you want all the seasoning and salt and spices to penetrate inside the Ponmo skin. So after adding everything, just stir, cover and let it cook until the water has reduced a bit but not completely dry, okay? Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube for more videos like this. So once it's cooked, you're going to just set that aside and then work on the sauce. So because I want my sauce very spicy, I'm going to use chili pepper instead of bell peppers. In my pot, I added some vegetable oil, garlic and onions, then some seasoning cube to season the oil and the onions. Now you're going to fry that a bit for a few seconds until it starts foaming like this. There's a reason for this. It actually helps your food taste way better when you do this. So after that, you're going to go in with your pepper mix. Like I said, I use chili pepper because I want mine spicy, or you can just use bell peppers and a little bit of scotch bonnet to balance everything. Here I added some chopped chili pepper because I want it not smooth. I want my sauce not smooth but a little bit of rough, like that. So just stir everything and allow it to fry until it changes from this to this. And yes, my chili pepper was frozen. I couldn't wait for it to fry, so I just dumped everything in the pot. So once you achieve this, you're going to put that back that your hot cooked Ponmo, and then with the remaining sauce or stock, and just give everything a great mix. Here I'm adding some green chili for color. You can totally omit this and more onions. I love onions in my anything peppered. I love plenty onions in it. So if you don't like onions, you can totally skip this step. Give everything a good stir and let it simmer for a bit, like 5-10 minutes on medium low heat, and your Ponmo Alata is ready. So it's ready. I'm adding my final touch of onions to garnish, and that's it, guys. Let me know if you will be trying this in the comment section. This was absolutely amazing. It tastes better. The Ponmo was not too hard, and it wasn't like cotton soft. I don't know how to explain, just the way I prefer my Ponmo. And it wasn't even less spicy. It was actually very spicy. Yes, I love spicy food, and the person I made this for did enjoy it too. So bye.